Hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. Today, I will be cooking this mouth-watering honey garlic glazed salmon. I tried to get wild-caught salmon, but as you may know or may not know, wild-caught salmon is very hard to get. So in this video, I will be using farmed raised salmon, but raised without antibiotics. Here I have 2.5 pounds of salmon already washed with vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry with paper towels. Then I'm gonna cut off the tail. You can set it aside for cooking another meal. Then I'm gonna slice the salmon into 2.5 inches wide pieces. And then I'm gonna go ahead and season with the seasoning.